Hey, are you also a fan of law of attraction just like me? Is the law of attraction not working for you right now? Are your affirmations not working, your visualization not working, and you're not able to attract the success that you want using law of attraction? Don't worry, I have the perfect solution for you. My name is Mitesh Khatri. I'm a law of attraction coach and a best-selling author of this book, The Law of Attraction. I've personally coached more than 1 million people to understand how to make the law of attraction work for them in all four areas of life: health, relationships, career, and money. And the best part is I have personally created results for myself and for my students. And yes, it's possible initially that sometimes law of attraction doesn't work for us, but there is a simple, scientific, and a powerful method that you can use to understand how to make the law of attraction work for you. I've created a full 3 hour course. That's right, a complete 3 hour course with step-by-step guidance on learning how to make the law of attraction work for you, how to apply the right techniques in the right way to get exactly the results that you want. Is it worth investing time? Yes, not money, because the course is completely free. Is it worth investing a little bit of time in your life to attract your results in life? If yes, click on the link below. Register quickly now. This is a 10,000 rupee course, which I'm right now introducing completely free for you for a limited period of time. Take advantage of this. Come and learn with me. Let's learn together. Let's grow together. Let's create magic together. And I promise you, I will show you how to make the law of attraction work for you. I'll see you there. Let's create magic.